Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to screen record on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains the Windows 11. Of course, if you have a Windows 10 PC, you can just go into your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course, you can even run the installation of the download of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. And once the download finish or the installation finish, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And when you do that, you'll find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into Windows 10 if you have some issues or anything. And of course, again, the upgrade from Windows 10 to 11 will not delete any files from your computer, so don't worry about that. And as we said, is we would like to screen record on the Windows 11. So how can you do that? Of course, there is two options. The first option is to use a third party, as I am doing right now, or as I'm using. I'm using the OBS application, and it's actually screen record for me everything well. And of course, if you don't want to use that, if you want just to use the Windows, you can simply go to your keyboard and simply write or click at Windows key plus Alt plus R to start the recording. Of course, the recording will start, and if you want to stop it, simply click at Windows plus Alt plus R, and that will stop the recording. Of course, your recording, you will normally find it on your videos here. Of course, just go to File Explorer and Videos, and you will find it here on Captures. So that will be it, I guess. But I suggest you, of course, to use the OBS because it's much better and much smoother. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.